Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn about the loan calculator. Most of us takes loan from banks or different institution, but we do not know how to calculate the EMI or cannot calculate the total cost of loan or how much interest we have to pay within the period. So we will learn all this and we will learn how to create this loan calculator, and within this loan calculator we can also change the amount or rate of interest or period and can see the loan summary. And here we can change the loan amount, interest rate, loan period or the start date of the loan, and we can see the loan summary, that is what will be the monthly EMI, number of payments, total interest to be paid within this period, and the total loan cost. So here, as we can see here, total loan amount is 50,000 and the annual rate of interest is 9% and the total loan period is 10 years and loan start date is 26th September 2021. So here we got the loan summary, that is monthly EMI 633.38 rupees. Number of payments will be 120. Total interest will be 26,005.46 rupees and the total cost of the loan will be 76,005 rupees and 46 paise. And here is the chart, that is how much amount of principal is paid throughout the year and the interest paid throughout the year and the loan balance. You can see it is the payment is going up and the loan balance is going down. And here we can see the total chart, that is EMI from 1 to 120. You can see here, and throughout this EMI how much principal we have paid, how much interest we have paid, and the closing balance of that month. So after giving the first EMI 633.38 paise, the closing loan balance is 49,741.62 rupees, and within this amount we have paid 253.38 as a principal and 375 as an interest. Gradually you can see the interest is decreasing and the amount of principal is increasing. So if we change here the amount from 50,000 to 1 lakh and rate of interest 8.5 and total loan period, let's take 5 years. So here our number of payment becomes 60. You can see it's become up to 60 and the monthly EMI became 2051.65 rupees. Total interest have to be paid 23,099.19 rupees and total cost of loan became 1,23,099.19%. And here you can see also the principal, interest, all things are changed, but this one is not changed because this chart is based on the pivot table, so we have to refresh it. And if you want to refresh it automatically, we have to use VBA, but in this file I have not used VBA. That's why I have to go to select this first, then go to analyze and refresh. You can see it is changed. So now we will learn how to create this loan calculator. So let's begin this tutorial. So first take a new workbook and rename this sheet as loan calculator. Then create a margin, okay, and select B to H and merge it and type here loan calculator. Okay, now make it left alignment, then increase the row height 60. Okay, Now color this cell, go to more color, select this color, OK. Now change the font, then font size, make it center, OK. Now make a margin and type here loan details, then loan amount, then annual interest rate, then loan period in years, then loan start date. Then leave one row and type here loan summary. Then type monthly EMI, then number of periods, then total interest, then total cost of loan. Okay. Now select 3 cells and merge it, and here also 3 cells, merge it. Then these 2 cells, merge it. In this way, merge all this. Then select all this, make a right alignment, this one also right alignment, and you can make it little bigger. Okay. Then format these cells. First select these 2 cells, then give it a color, this one, then select this one and give it this color, and this one with gray color. Now select all this and go to more borders and select here white color and give middle and center. Okay. Now we will calculate the loan. So first let's take here 1 lakh. Then annual rate of interest 8.5%. Loan period in years, so 5 years, and loan start dates, let's take today. So type here equal to today. Okay. Now the loan summary. So first we will calculate number of period. So equal to loan years, that is it will be in years, 5 years. So we in 1 year we have 12 months, so into 12. So we have 60 number of periods. So monthly EMI will be equal to minus PMT. PMT function is used for calculating the EMI. So we have given minus because we are paying off the EMI, that's why we have given minus, bracket open, rate. Rate is this one, and as we are calculating monthly EMI, so the rate of interest also should be in month, that is it should be divided by 12. So divided by 12, comma, number of periods. So number of period is this one, move this one here, so this one, comma, PV. PV is this one, comma, FV will be 0. That means FV is the future value. So when we pay off the EMI, so the loan closing balance will be 0. So FV should be 0, comma, type is 1, because most of the case we take our loan today and we pay after 1 month. That is why we'll type here 0. Bracket close and enter. So it is 2051.65 rupees. Now we will calculate the total cost of loan. The total cost of loan is equal to monthly EMI into number of periods. So we will pay 60 times 2051.65. That's why we are multiplying this amount with 60. So this is our total cost of loan, 1,23,099.19 rupees. And total interest is equal to total cost of loan minus the loan amount. So the interest is 23,099.19 rupees. And now we will create the chart. So make a margin, type here EMI number, then payment date, then beginning balance, then EMI amount, then principal, then interest, then closing balance. So here we have to put different formulas to get all this amount. So first we will create here the EMI number. For that we will type here equal to, if bracket open, we'll count from here to the last. So colon, and here we will lock the first cell with F4. So as we drag down the formula, this will be the fixed and B6 will change to B17. So it will increase gradually. So we will count this number. So type here count. So count B16 to B16 is equal to 0, then 1. Else, if, same thing you have to use, count B16 to B16, and first B16 will be locked, then bracket close, less than this cell, press F4, comma, then B16 plus 1, else blank, bracket close and enter. So we got here 1. If we drag it, you can see got 2. That means count if B16 to B17. So it will count this range. If it is 0, then here it will put 1. So if we count this, it is text and it is number. So it will give 1. So this logic will be incorrect. So it will go to second logic. Count this range to this range is less than this one. So it's obviously less than 60 because it is only one number we have. So it will be B17. So this is the B17 plus 1. So here 1 plus 1, 2. So in this way we have to drag this cell for 30 years. That is 376 row. Okay, we will drag up to this. So these are blank because up to 60 it will show up to 60. You can see here. And if we change here for 10, then you can see it from 60 to it became 120. If I give here 30 years, then up to 360. But it will not work more than 30 years. Now here payment date. So what will be the payment date? So our payment date will be 1 month later from the loan start date. That means 26/10/21. So how to calculate this? Equal to, if bracket open, count this cell colon this cell. Then select this cell, press F4, bracket close equal to 0, then edate. So what does edate do? Returns the serial number that is the indication number of month before or after start date. So here you can see start date and month. So start date is this one, and month, how many month later or previous you have to show. So if you want to get the date of 1 month later, then you have to give 1, and if you want to get the 1 month previous date, then you have to get -1. So here we will give 1, comma, sorry, bracket close, comma, if, sorry, here you can give else this end month edate this cell comma 1, bracket close, then bracket close for if, enter. So we got here a date. Now format this date to a short date. You can see 26/10/21. If I drag down 26/11/21, so drag this till the end, you can see we got all this date 1 month later date. Now beginning balance. What should be the beginning balance? First again you have to equal to if this cell equal to blank, then blank, else count this cell colon this cell, and here press F4, then bracket close equal to 0, then this amount, press F4, else this cell, bracket close, enter. So here is some mistake, logic value, here we have to give count, here we have to give if. So if, okay, then bracket close, enter. So we got 1 lakh, and if we drag down we get 0 because there is no values. Then EMI. So EMI will be fixed, so it will be this value, press F4, enter. Now drag this till the end, drag this also till the end. Okay, now we will calculate the principal equal to if this cell equal to blank then 0, else for principal we have to use ppmt function. So minus ppmt rate this one divided by 12, comma, per will be first month, comma, n per will be this one, press F4 to fix it, comma, PV this one, press F4 to fix it, comma, FV will be 0 and type will be 0. Then bracket close, enter. So this is the amount, and here we have to decrease the decimal place. Okay, same thing we have to do, but only here instead of ppmt for interest we have to use ipmt. So just copy this and paste it here, and instead of ppmt type here ipmt. Now again here decrease the decimal places. Okay, now drag this to till the end, and here also increase the decimal place. Okay. So here are some mistake. Let's see where I made mistake. Okay, here is the mistake. So first D6 should be fixed, F4, and here also D6 should be fixed and then drag till the end. Okay. Now closing balance equal to beginning balance plus interest minus principal. Enter. Now drag this till the end. Now go to the end. Here is a mistake. Let's see. Here it should be minus EMI amount. Enter. Now drag this till the end. Okay, now it's okay. Now drag this at the end, it becomes 0. Okay, and here we have to put the decimal place. Okay, so we have done creating this one. So first select this one, give it a color. Okay, and now select all these cells and give it an alternate row color. Go to conditional formatting, new rule. So to do the alternate row color, we have to use this function, type here equal to is odd bracket open this cell, press F4 to lock the row. Sorry, here give another function a row, then bracket open, then select this cell, press F4 2 times, then bracket close for row, bracket close for is odd. Then format the color. Here we will give this color. Okay, okay. So we got alternate row color. Now suppose the period is 5 years. So as you can see here, it takes up to 60, but these are also shown. So we have to hide this. So first select the first row and control shift and press down arrow. Then go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then select this one and click on this one. Then go to the top, then equal to this cell, press F4 twice, greater than equal to, sorry, greater than this should be fixed. Then format, font color white, fill color white. Okay, okay. Now if we go down, you can see it is shown up to 60, all the rest are white color. So here I have not given white, so go to manage rule, this one select, format, select this color. Okay, okay, now it is perfect. You can see nothing. So if we change it from 5 years to 10 years, you can see it increases up to 120, then we cannot show anything. So in this way we have to create this loan calculator. Now we have to create a chart for this table. So first we have to create a pivot table with the help of this table. So first select this and control shift and down arrow, go to insert and create on pivot table an existing worksheet and select J. Now press OK. So we got a pivot table. Now first select the EMI number and place it here. Then in the row we have to use the payment date. So you can see here we got all the date, that means year. We got all the year here. Here we have to use another thing, because in the pivot table it is shown that all the after year 2051 is showing. So that means we have the year here. If you want to check, just double click, select and press F9. You can see we got a date here. So we have to remove these dates. So we have to change the formula here. Here we have to change the formula. The formula should be, here we have to add another if this cell equal to blank, then we will take this date. Press F4 to fix it, comma, go to the end, another bracket, enter and double click, and now refresh this table. Analyze, refresh. Now we got up to 2031. As we can see here, we got up to 2031. Okay. Now we will add here, remove this quarter, remove this quarter. Okay. And also this payment, you have to remove this one. So we got years. Now we have to give here the principal, then interest, sorry, not here, it should be here, and sum of the principal, and here we have to go to value fill setting and type here principal paid and go to show value as. Here we have to select, okay, we will do it later on. So just here we have to change principal paid. Okay, then add interest here, then same thing you have to do, value settings, remove this one, go to end and type here paid. Okay, and we have to take another, that is closing balance here, and here we have to take minimum. So we will take the minimum amount from the closing balance. So okay, oh sorry, here we have to change another thing, the name. So here loan balance, we'll type here loan balance. Okay, so we got all this. Now here is one error value, we have to check why we are getting this error value for 2021. So if I right click and ungroup it, we can see here this thing. So how to correct this one? So if I go here, here is the mistake. So type here equal to if this cell equal to blank, then 0, comma, go to end, bracket close and enter and drag this till the end and refresh this table, analyze, refresh. So we got 0. Fine. Now again we group this for years. Okay. Okay. We had another mistake here. Again ungroup it, go to the end. Here is the problem. Okay, let's see what is the problem here. Okay, here is another mistake in the formula. So type here if this cell equal to blank, then 0, else this one. Because if these cells are 0 and if I put this only this formula, then the closing balance will be hampered, because a number cannot be subtracted by text. That's why it is giving error. So that's why if there is no EMI number, then it will give us 0. So 0 can be subtracted from any amount. Now drag this till the end. This one is okay. So this one okay, this one okay, okay, okay. Now let's see again. Right click, group, years, okay. Still we have the problem. Let's select this one and decrease this. Okay, so we have removed the decimal places from here. Now we will create a chart with the help of this pivot table. So go to insert, then pivot chart, go to combo, select here stacked column. Okay, these two are same, and here line with markers. Okay, now okay, but here is the problem. We have to do an increasing amount. So for that, here go to fill setting, in show value, here select running total. Okay, and for interest paid value setting, here also select running total. Okay, so if I see the value here, it is showing 0 for 2021, but it should show here the number for 2021, this value 98,394.11, because this is the lowest amount in 2021. But here it is shown 0 because below here we have the date 26/9/21 and 0. So for this year 0 became the lowest. That's why it's showing. So if I go here and select multiple item and go to end and untick this one, then okay. Now you can see we got the value here. Now select all this value, go to home, decrease the decimal place. Okay, now you can see it is perfectly shown. Now here right click and format data series, go to here fill color, give here a color of your choice, and if I go to this side and select a deep color for this one. Select this one and little deep color. Okay, now remove this one and this one, and here increase the row size, row height, give a 18. Okay, now put your chart here, increase it up to here and here, and remove all this. Right click, hide all field button on chart, and we have to put this one here. So for that, go to format, design, and select this one, or this one. Okay, then you can delete this one, chart title, and decrease this and move this on the top, and again increase this here and in the below. So we have completed this chart. Now hide this pivot table. Okay, and insert a logo here, insert picture, select this logo and put it here and increase the size. Okay, so in this way you have to create this loan calculator. Now here it's change it to 50,000, and from 10 year to 5 year you can see everything changed. Here we got up to 60, and this has not been changed. We have to select this chart and go to analyze and refresh it. You can see it is changed. So in this way we have to create the loan calculator and use it for your calculation purpose. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.